Hey, it's Rory from A&S Gear. We're outside shooting guns again. This is a reflex rail, I believe. Don't get me on this one. 2014, 2015 reflex rail. I think they were the same. Just different color versions between those two guns. But here we have one here, set and ramping, shooting the stock barrel, HK tournament paint through our rotor. Apparently there's like football going on around the corner or something like that. So they're not cheering just for me, although that's pretty typical. Here we go. Shoot some paint. Oh, gotta turn my loader on. Couple more. There we have it right there. The reflex rail available through ansgear.com.